So this is what it is actually. This is a very old, what is called as
Pillar.
stamba.
Exactly in front.
In
Yeah,
front of
exactly.
it. Yeah.
Actually, one of
What we
the
call as Garuda Gamba in Kannada, but I don't know what is called in Hindi.
South India would find in all the temples.
In all temples, you
Yeah,
will
they
find
will be
a
there.
South Indian temples, like this.
and talking of emblems and the currency of Vijayanagara Empire was a Varaha. I said that possibly one of the reasons because there are a lot of Varaha stambas near Hampi, and therefore a lot of people who wanted to destroy it, right? They could not come inside because they
Because
saw
of the Varaha.
because of that.
Because of that.
So we are able to see Hampi because of Varaha Murti, right?
There is a pig.
Yeah, so that is how it was saved.
Now the movie is also making great.
Yes,
That Varaha Narasimha.
Varaha
And
Narasimha.
even during those days, Hindus started domesticating pigs just because to
save
safeguard
themselves.
their
To
family
save
and-
themselves, which are there.
But we are still, way to go. Trust me. In some of the states, the way it's happening, especially if you look at Kerala, if you look at Bengal, Punjab, we are in a bad strait. Trust me.
I am from Bengal. I know.
You're from Bengal?
So what we'll now do
people,
is
now
go
people
more
feel
upstairs.
shame
There's a place called as Bugle Rock,
The way this
and it is
Begum-
named as
Begum has
Bugle Rock
done to
because
the
there was a
states.
time in which
My
bugle
childhood
used to
is
be
from Bengal.
bugle used to be sounded
Which
there
school you're
at
from?
some hours, a few hours which are there. So
Which
let us see
for
if it is
signaling time.
signaling time. which is there. Yeah.
Sri Ram!
Jai Sri Ram!
Jai Sri Ram!
Jai Sri Ram!
Jai Sri Ram! Jai Sri Ram! Jai Sri Ram! Jai Sri Ram! Jai Sri Ram! This is the oldest park in Bangalore. No less than London Hyde Park.
And this is the original Hyde Park.
Yeah, this is the original.
That's a copied one.
That is a copied one. This Balaji is 400 years old.
These are quite old trees.
Very
quite,
old.
quite
Very,
old.
very
Ah,
And
amazing climate, है?
lot of trees.
कहीं बाहर ही आ गए ऐसा लग
हाँ, यहाँ पे आप आ
My
जाओ.
parents after engagement used to meet here.
रहा
Once you come, there are some areas
हाँ.
in Bangalore
हाँ,
like these.
हाँ.
Once you come inside,
You not
you
realize.
will not realize. Forget about.
Wow, this is so
Forget about-
old.
Forget about.
See?
Forget
How
about
old
us. Forget about Bangalore. You will think that you are not in a city. And particularly such areas have a lot of fruit bearing trees. No?
हाँ,
You get amazing birds.
हाँ.
Amazing birds. Kind of species that possibly in a city area you will not.
Not possible.
Not possible. And we know most of us were living in cities. Even now today, sparrows have gone up.
Okay, at least when we were younger,
We could see.
we
Yeah.
could see sparrows. Now even sparrows have gone up. Only thing we see is pigeons and crows.
Crows.
Yeah, pigeons and crows. So here when you come, particularly if you see dawn and dusk, beautiful, absolutely.
And on that tank, all great people of Karnataka are there, and there was a person called D.V. Gundappa who used to stay here. He's called DVG. He's a graduate writer.
Acha.
Okay. Saryam Vishweshwarya used to meet him here somewhere in this place. Okay. On weekly basis to discuss various things.
It's
So
very
this is the
old.
place, actually. Yeah.
In front. Okay. On the top.
No, here. Here, huh?
Here. Okay.
Okay.
Others will all sit there. Okay, fine. No problem.
But we can, I mean, like, we can make noise here.
Yeah.
Only. You can sit on that side. I will sit on this side. Two mics are there.
Nice.
No problem.
हाँ
No problem to sit. No,
हाँ बिल्कुल.
no problem sitting.
हाँ.
Yeah. No, you can take a photograph and spit to your mother.
Two weeks before we came for scouting, I did not
Acha.
know this place had been built. Then Ashwin told, it's there on the wire you spending.
हाँ.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful. We'll do it here only.
So nice.
ये असली $3 एरिया
ये
है। डॉलर पे ही चलता है।
नमस्ते.
चिरंजीवी मैंने आपको मेल किया, आपको टीम को मेल किया लास्ट
अच्छा.
लास्ट वीक में वहाँ पे हूँ, अहमदाबाद में है,
आने वाले हो
वहाँ पे हूँ मैं
अभी.
अभी
पीछे?
नहीं, 2 हफ्ते पहले. हाँ. जो मेल किया ना बालाजी को मिला तो बालाजी ने मेल दिया.
हाँ.
तो मेल दिया
जी. You didn't respond?
रेस्पॉन्ड आते ही मैं जयपुर चला गया. वो फैमिली ट्रिप है.
अच्छा.
Two Advait. Two Advait.
Thank you so much.
जी जय श्री राम सर. मैं आपका 4 साल से एविड फॉलोअर हूँ.
हाँ.
उसी लाइन पे मैं काम भी कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा.
इंडो-रशिया
टेक्नोलॉजी कोलैबोरेशन.
कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा.
इंडो-रशिया म्यूचुअल एफिशिएंसी आपको इनवाइट करना चाहता हूँ.
जी बिल्कुल.
फुल्ली पेड.
लेट मी मुझे ईमेल आईडी पे डॉक्टर शाह वर्चुअल है ना, उस पे भेज दीजिए.
ठीक सर, ये उमेश कैसा नाम है? प्रीतम. हाँ ठीक है. ऊपर लिख दिया प्रीतम जी लिख दिया.
और एक
ये और एक है प्रीतम. दो प्रीतम सेम नंबर वाले.
Hi Ankit ji. Who has what? Hi Ankit. This is Anubhav. I hail from Kolkata originally.
जी.
I have shifted to Bangalore for last 2
जी.
years. My father is an avid follower of you first, like from past 3 years, and last 1.5 साल से मैं आपको फॉलो कर रहा हूँ.
जी.
After like during that thing. तो पापा ने भी अपना बिजनेस मॉडल उन्होंने अपना स्टार्ट करा. उन्होंने like when I got job, तो he left his job and he was into like he got into the business.
अच्छा. He took the risk.
He took the risk.
He took the risk and you took this one.
So it's
अच्छा. You have a brother?
no.
You are the only one?
Only one.
हाँ.
So that's why like okay, my father was there.
They just don't know what Sanatan is actually.
जी.
They don't know at all about the scientific side of Sanatan.
True.
They think it is a cult, it is a religion.
True.
Kind of
True. They compare it with religion.
I'm just trying to make a portal or some kind
Nice.
of thing where we can educate our children from the very
ये खोला
childhood so
मैंने.
that they know about God. ancient Asian culture
Correct.
in a correct way, the way they should
Nice.
know. Can I take a selfie?
जी जी.
sure. You had mentioned.
हाँ, starting में there were
Now
some
it
people,
happens with AI, sir. Like YouTube only has a service. You can
but
like
वो बराबर होता है.
yeah, like I'll say all the foreign YouTubers अभी क्या करते हैं वो अपना ही YouTube वीडियो मतलब वो स्पेनिश में बनाते हैं but it will 8 language.
One more.
हाँ हाँ.
AI के
Yeah, AI के 8 ऑटोमेटिक हो जाता है YouTube.
हाँ.
automatic हो
Yes, we send
So
this now.
other videos, everything is perfectly fine.
YouTube में ही है.
It'll be, I mean,
You are politician will never get it. Okay. Yeah, 178.
हाँ.
So yes, Upma ceremony start ಮಾಡಿ. We have small prasad over here, Upma.
My name is Vimala ma'am.
हाँ.
First time when we met here only in
हाँ.
Baswanpudi Park,
हाँ.
she attended and that day I told her what is the favorite dish of Ankit ji. She asked like he likes uppittu. I will prepare uppittu for her. So she was the one with the motherly.
I wanted to meet you. I had come for the meeting with that intention.
हाँ.
Meeting Ankit.
Yes.
No,
So,
enthusiasm.
so today she has prepared special Jain upma
Ah,
for you.
nice.
नहीं, वो
thank
कैसे
you so
है,
much.
बाद में गालियाँ नहीं देनी।
नहीं नहीं अच्छा ही
नहीं, बहुत
अच्छा ही होगा.
प्रसाद है अच्छा ही होगा. Yes.
So there were too many sweet dishes, sir, today. And now there are some ants which are crawling up.
they already sense. जी.
I'm from Japan, sir. My Kuladevata is giving me an order.
अरे चलो घरे। આપણે જૈન દેરાસરની
This time it is very difficult.
કાલે ઘરે જમવાનું રાખશે।
Very difficult this time, but next time we can arrange
કેટલા
some.
વાગે?
But now we are all serving Upma. Let him relax. You also relax. After 15 minutes, Dr. Ankit will come here and speak to you because from there he speaks very much. He will be walking and speaking with you. It's a new different kind of experience for him. Number 2, 6:30, 6:45, we will wind up the event. Before that, there will be audience question. If anybody wants to ask question, please raise your hands. Where is Ashwin? Ashwin is here. You call him, he will come to you, he will give the mic to you. He will not give you, he will just put it to your mouth and he will just speak. And afterwards, he will take to the next person. Okay? So, okay. So, next thing is, after 6:45, we will all disperse. Everybody using their own vehicle will come to Satri Kitchen, Jayanagar. Jayanagar, there is a place called a Satri Kitchen. Their idli, dosa, vada, everything will be very good. They do not use onion and garlic, special Jain. I selected this place specially for Ankit ji. So please, we will all have dosa coffee with Ankit ji. No sponsorship over here. Please buy your own dosa, buy your own this thing. Okay? And don't sponsor for others also because that hotel wala will get confusion. Who to give, who not to give. So you think you are donating to our volunteers, but some XYZ, Tom, Dick, Harry will come and drink. Ram Rahim, something. Will come, you will go eat idli in your name, you will drink coffee in your name, and you will go away. So, yes. Yes. Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Tomorrow event is in Yuvasanga. So the event starts starting from 9 a.m. and we are expecting nearly 500 people. All chances that you can catch 3 minds. So please come a little bit early so that you can catch your seat.